how to sell crypto on KuCoin P2P and withdraw to Gcash or bank. Now, in order to sell crypto on KuCoin and then withdraw them to your bank and so on, first you have to sell them for fiat currency. So depending upon what kind of asset you own, you'll find and go to the assets tab, and here basically if you just come to the overview tab, you'll find any sort of asset that you own. First you have to sell that to a fiat currency, and once you have sold that fiat to a fiat currency, you will be able to withdraw that fiat currency to your bank account or other alternative methods. And this way you will be able to sell crypto on KuCoin and withdraw to Gcash or bank. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.